Alrighty, folks, we're back here. Got some word of some pretty nasty activity that started popping up here in Ohio. Got ourselves a couple of tornado warnings that actually, unfortunately, confirmed. I was in the process of going to sleep, but I couldn't. For some reason, I just couldn't go to sleep, knowing that all this was still going on and stuff like that. So I wanted to go live here for a little bit longer today. Let me go ahead and do something real quickly, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pin message and all that stuff. So, anyways, y'all, but we're back here. I just got done with a 10-hour coverage, literally like an hour or two ago. So I'm still exhausted, still haven't gotten sleep. But like I said, you guys, this is very important here. We got ourselves a there was a really strong tornado that did just go through portions here of near Columbus. We hop back over here to actually we'll go hop over here to the correlation coefficient and stuff like that. Let's see here. Yeah, it was very, very nasty. So Columbus, it looks like portions of Columbus really did get hit by the storm out there by West Jefferson, Lily Chapel area. You know, we did have a nasty tornado touchdown here not too long ago. Once again, between West Jefferson and Lily Chapel. This thing did go eastward towards Galloway. Let's see, Alton, which eventually continued further into Columbus. Now, at the moment, the radar is still picking up a lot of debris that's from previous scans. Is still being picked up here overall. And like I said, at this point, it's unsure if the tornado is on the ground still or not. We got 5 minutes on the warning left. We'll see if they end up increasing, or if they keep on, or if they end up extending that. Yes, I am tabletop. Like I said, I didn't get any sleep, and I just got done with 10-hour coverage not long ago. So I am whooped, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm very low on energy right now. But like I said, I saw this coming through, saw it on radar and stuff like that. Not to mention, there's another tornado warning here to the northeast, out there by Mount Vernon. This is for the next 34 minutes or so. We got Danville, Howard, and these areas are included inside of a tornado warning here as well. This is 2 tornado warnings popping off right now. Got a lot of storms up there in northern Kentucky, portions out there towards western, just south of Louisville. We have another storm out there for 1.5-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts overall. But yeah, so things have, like I said, things have definitely popped up here. Things have gotten a little out of hand since I left you guys off here. So, like I said, we decided to hop back on here just for at least a few minutes. That way I could address what's going on here, and I can let you guys know, what's going on here. But yeah. Let's see here. Memphis. No, Memphis is fine, my friend. There's nothing really going on out there. Nothing to really worry about. Looks like Lexington just got a severe thunderstorm warning. Lexington, Kentucky, 1.25-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being a possibility here. So I'm looking out there for those regions. But right now, obviously, if you guys didn't hear, Columbus, it looks like Columbus, or near Columbus on the western outskirts, just got hit by a tornado. Looks like a pretty bad one, too. We're going to hop over back to correlation coefficient here. Current radar scans, you can still see, if we go back here a frame, all of that's actually all previous tornadic debris. We go back here, and you can see where it started from, which is right there by West Jefferson in the Lily Chapel area. This is where this was at. So, see, Columbus, Ohio update. Yeah, we're keeping it out there for you, my friend. Like I said, it'll all be all right. We got you. Right now, it looks like the tornado might have lifted at this current moment. But like I said, at the current moment here, it looks like that debris is gone. Although we did just got a new tornado warning that just got issued east of you. So we now have ourselves a new tornado warning that just got issued for eastern Columbus, out there by Reynoldsburg, Baltimore, Groveport. Let's see here. Let's see, Heath, I think it is. Newark, crossing across portions of Interstate 70. This is in effect here for the next 32 minutes or so. So another tornado warning is now in effect here. So be careful, fan. Like I said, we'll keep it out there for you. But right now, from what I know, this tornado has been lifted. But like I said, we'll have to definitely keep it out there for that here over the next few minutes or so. But yeah, so it's just really heartbreaking to see. Like I said, I was laying down. I always knew something would happen as soon as I got offline. That something bad would happen, and it did. Unfortunately, we did see a pretty nasty tornado that just dropped down there by the Columbus area here. So, like I said, y'all, at the current moment, it looks like once again the tornado has lifted, although we still have ourselves, like I said, just east of, so the warning just east here of Columbus, pretty much in eastern Columbus, like I said, towards Ghana. Let's see your portions of Etna. We have Hebron, Heath, Granville, Newark, Baltimore, Millersport, Carroll, Groveport, and Orbits included here. A glass broke, a dog scares. What should I do for her? I knew Columbus was going to get hot worse, they were saying. Your glass broke. I'd try to find something to cover that up. Obviously, when you're safe. When it comes to it, try to obviously clean all that up. Clean all the glass up when you can do so safely. That's really what I could tell you. And whenever you do that, try to find something to cover it up, cover the window up, like a tarp or something maybe. But just please make sure you're safe before you do that, because like I said, we still have that tornado warning in effect for Columbus. God, dude, I just wish I was here moments before this happened, dude. I mean, like, this, of course, happened as soon as I ended my my extended coverage here. So it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Like I said, we also have another tornado warning here to the north, guys, the north of Columbus here. This is across portions like Mount Vernon, Howard, Danville, Martinsburg, Centerburg. So heads up to you guys out there. Like I said, definitely want to watch out there for that. We also had reports of slightly west of Columbus a little bit ago. Since I've been gone, we had reports of another tornado that did drop by Springfield in western Ohio. And let's see here. Out there by Springfield, we also had reports of 2-inch hail overall. So, but anyways, my friends, like I said, yeah, we did just have a really big tornado just roll through portions near Columbus, just a few moments ago. So if you know anybody out in the Columbus area, there's that tornado right there. If you know anybody that's out there, give them a heads up. Or, well, first of all, because we still have a tornado warning in effect, but also check up on them, make sure they're okay, because this tornado went through a pretty populated area. I mean, there was look at all these houses. I mean, this is like a really, really populated ground here. And it's honestly bone chilling to me, to what just happened here. And just thinking, 40 people are, well, first of all, starting to wake up. We're still asleep for the most part. Just hope they got their warning, dude. It's terrible, dude. It really is. Really, like I said, it's just bone chilling. So, just check up on your friends, your family, and anybody who's out there. But once again, yeah, we just had a tornado hit Columbus, Ohio. We still have the tornado warning in effect here on the eastern side towards Baltimore, areas by Groveport, Reynoldsburg, Heath, I think it is, Newark, Ghana. Tornado warning in effect here for the next 27 minutes. Now, north of that, We have another tornado warning for Mount Vernon, Danville area. So once again, you guys out there in those regions here, also be in your shelter. Once again, Martinsburg, Mount Vernon, Howard, Danville, Amite, Brandon, Mount Liberty, Centerburg. Just make sure you guys are inside of your safe spots. Once again, well away from windows, and like I said, just make sure y'all are good to go. Okay. Now, also, I will mention, like I said, down here in Kentucky, we got a bit of activity popping off here as well. Not tornadic, but really strong winds, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there towards Moorhead, Owingsville. A lot of these warnings are actually for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and some of the hail could be between, probably between quarter size, actually right on penny size to 1.25 inch. So, how long is that one in effect? The one for Columbus has 26 minutes. The one above has 26 minutes. So both of these tornado warnings are in effect for 26 minutes. Yeah, they're both going to be in effect here for the next 26 minutes. They will expire here at 6:15, I believe. Yep, 6:15 Eastern time. Man, oh man, how we do have a terminal radar. I'm gonna hop over to, actually. Yeah, let's hop the terminal radar on the cell here. Yeah, it honestly looks like that rotation did kind of fade out just a little bit here. Could be still a little bit of rotation here southeast of Groveport. Kind of just south here of Groveport area. Let's see here. 60 miles away. Hopefully it calms down soon. Yeah, hopefully, my friend. Let's see. Look up to see, but maybe 3-4 tornadoes may have touched down in Michigan overnight. Wow. Yeah, Dilly, it got pretty crazy last night. Like I said, I was there pretty much for this entire event so far because we started here. I think we started here as soon as that first warning got issued, and I just ended like an hour ago or so. Had 10.5 hour coverage on that, and as soon as I got off, this happened. So, also I want to make this clear, or I want to point this out, I should say. There's this little area of convergence that's happening northwest of Summit Station. This is starting to kind of wrap up, it looks like, which could potentially go tornadic. We'll have to see how this plays out, but just a little bit of a heads up for you guys out there, right in this area. You guys can see how it's kind of coming together. So we'll have to watch out there for that. Let's see. Can't blame yourself because you're doing it. It was great reporting to us. Like I said, I'm just sorry, dude. It's just the fact I couldn't have been here earlier. If I would have just toughened it out and just stayed live for like another hour or so, I would have been able to catch it on the live. But unfortunately, I was unable to. Yeah, I mean, it's just unfortunate, my friends. Very unfortunate. But we're here now. At least for a little bit. Like I said, I'm literally about to pass out, you guys. But got 23 minutes left on these guys, so I'm gonna try to push through that, and then we're gonna call it a night. At least try to again. Let's see here. But anyways, like I said, you guys, if you're just now joining us, unfortunately Columbus just got hit by a tornado a little bit ago. Let's go ahead and show. We're going to hop back to 21 frames here. We go back to our previous scans. There you go. Yeah, you can actually see where there was another tornado down by Springfield, right? See that? By Springfield. It was the same system. Started another tornado by West Jefferson, and likely went through portions of what the western outskirts of Columbus. So, like I said, y'all just be careful because, like I said, eastern Columbus is still under a tornado warning for the storm. It looks like the tornado is definitely lifted at this point, but there still very well could be a bit of rotation still in the storm here. Speaking of, they just added a new tornado warning for Newark and let's see here, Heath, Alexandria, Hanover. New tornado warning is now in effect here. This one's for the next 52 minutes. So for the next little bit. Man. But once again, everybody, we have Danville, Howard, see Gambler, Mount Vernon, Amity, Bladensburg, Martinsburg, Hanover, Newark, Granville, Alexandria, Johnstown, Jersey, Hebron, Heath, let's see, portions of Millersport, Baltimore, Groveport, Carroll, Reynoldsburg, Etna, see, I have no idea, Pataskala, I don't know how you say that exactly, Ghana, and Orbets area. This is now under the tornado warning in effect here. Be safe out there, my friend Kala. Having the devastating tornadoes in Michigan. Oh, I was live during it. Yep, I was live during it. It was pretty unfortunate. I think I stole my screenshot up from it, from one of the debris signatures I caught. Yep. I know it was pretty bad. Pretty bad earlier. Definitely safe to say that this event did play out pretty well, according to forecast. So, but anyways. But yeah, now all these warnings now are east of Columbus. Let's see here, we've got a handful of those severe thunderstorm warnings out there. We have one in Lexington, like I said. Lexington's under a warning for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and 1.25-inch hail. See, east of that, we have ourselves one for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts towards Moorhead. Tornado possible above that storm out there by, see, Vanceburg area in Kentucky. Looks like maybe... Let's see. Yeah, maybe a bit of rotation trying to develop in that storm there. We'll see. Keep an eye on that. But yeah, the main concern right now is for the Columbus area overall. When I went through Grand Blanc, seemed like it could have done damage. I remember going through as a kid. Hope it wasn't too bad. Yeah, no, that we were alive during that one. I'm thankful that I was able to address information on that one, at least. Heads up, or I should say, bit of a thing for you guys, for my Columbus folks. Most of Columbus is good now. This is now east of Columbus for the most part. Well, there is eastern outskirts of Columbus is under these tornado warnings here. Which, like I said, includes Newark, Heath, Granville, St. Louisville, let's see, Hanover, Baltimore, Carroll, let's see, portions of Millersport, let's see, Pickerton, I think it is. This includes, let's see, Alexandria inside these warnings here. Something bad's happening in Cleveland. I don't think there's anything severe going on up there. Yeah, just a bunch of scattered storms. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, nothing too crazy, my friend. That's not currently severe. Just a bunch of storms, my friend. You should be good. Man. All right, we got terminal radar here. See your long range activity. Nice. Blaze velocity. Ooh, that might be some rotation by Harley. Yep, that's definitely some rotation out there by Harley, you guys. By Shroudertown. Is there an actual tornado on the ground? Yeah, there was here just momentarily ago here. Western Columbus got a heavy tornado out there by West Jefferson, and it rolled its way into the western outskirts of Columbus, and now the storm is continuing. They just issued another tornado warning, and there's another area. Pretty strong rotation by Harley right now. But we got tornado warnings all on the eastern side of Columbus right now. Overall. What's up, T-Star? Hope you're doing good, my friend. Might be a bit of rotation up there by Ash as well. So there's kind of two areas we need to look out there for. So, yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. Let's see here. Is this eventually heading towards Akron? Where's Akron? Akron. Probably not, honestly. No, you're good. It's just going to be a bunch of showers and heavy rainfall for you, from what it looks like. I don't think this will get near you. This is tracking relatively eastbound, heading away from your area for the most part. So that's good news. Have I slept? No. No. Like I said, once we cut that 10.5-hour live stream, I laid down for about an hour, and then, or however long it was, and then I saw that things were popping off there on radar, and I heard the sirens and stuff, so I went back live for you guys. So I'm still running on no energy, same as last time. But like I said, I just wish I was here. I just wish I kept on staying live for this. But yeah. All right, y'all. Once again, Baltimore. Let's see, Hebron, Palaskala, like I said, Baltimore, Carroll, Millersport, Heath, Newark, Granville, Jersey, Alexandria. Let's see here, Johnstown. Yeah, Johnstown. Tornado warnings in effect here, guys. So make sure you guys are inside of your safe spots. Once again, be away from windows. Be inside of your safe spot. Once again, if you have a basement or a storm cellar, that is where you want to go. That is where you want to go. Obviously, if you don't have one, then go to the central, most interior portion of your home. So, let's see here. But anyways, my friend, well, yeah, so things have, let's see, we're going to have to bring y'all over here real quickly. Bring you guys back over to this radar here. We're going to have to keep an eye on this region. I'm going to go ahead and change something real quickly. Let's see. Change the title here, you guys, because it was a little off at this point, considering that the tornado has now likely been lifted. But we are still watching. Yeah, we're about to get some heavy rotation probably in this area by Baltimore. Got a new tornado warning. Oh, new tornado warning to the north by Danville, Howard, Martinsburg. Wait a minute. No, that's still there. Oh, there it is. One down here. Holy cow, dude. We just have a wall of tornado warnings here. Glenford, Somerset, New Lexington, let's see, Crooksville, and Thornville is included here. All right, you know what? We're gonna deactivate our camera, guys. Like I said, I'm just out of it, so I'm gonna keep that off for now. Yeah, I'm just going to keep that off for now because, like I said, I just out of it for that. Let's see here. But yeah, it looks like we're getting a little bit of rotation out there by Baltimore. Let's see, 69-mile-per-hour wind gusts west of Columbus. Let's see here. Let me That's the thing. We don't have too good of radars out here, unfortunately. Yeah, we really need a radar up here in southeastern Ohio. That'd be pretty nice right about now. Thanks for subscribing, Connor. Appreciate it, man. Let's see here. Yeah, just got a big wall of tornado warnings east of Columbus. So out there by Millersport, a bit of rotation. Also possibly by Alexandria and Granville. Might be something as well. So we'll keep an eye out there for that. What's up, Ma? Hope you're doing good. Did 10.5 hour coverage and just ended about an hour ago, and tornado warnings hit tornado hit Columbus or near Columbus on the outskirts of the western side. Punch says still streaming, huh? Wow, man, thank you for your service. No problem, man. Like I said, just glad to help out. And whenever I saw that tornado drop, it's like, yeah, dude, I gotta go live for you guys again. So I literally had to scramble. But what matters here is that we're here now. And if anything pops off, at least for the next little bit, can't guarantee you how long I'm going to be able to be here for y'all again. But definitely not no 10 hours. But yeah, so like I said, I'll just be here as long as I can. Somerset, we have Crooksville, New Lexington included, Millersport, Baltimore, Pleasantville, Carroll. Let's see here. Kirkersville. I have no idea how to say that. Hebron, Jacksontown, sorry. Heath, Newark, Granville, Beechwood Trails. No, I haven't slept yet. Let's see here. Yeah, I mentioned Howard, Danville, Martinsburg. Yeah, it's a pretty, like I said, pretty big wall of just of that out there. Yeah, it looks like that rotation's by Millersport area. By Millersport. Also a little something by Grantsville. Yeah, this just environment over here is just yeah, this environment's just turning tornadic here. Let's see here. I was in basement when a tornado warning hit. That's good, Mega. Glad to hear that, my friend. Yeah, I was just a bit unfortunate, and what really, like I said, I hope everybody's okay because, I mean, at this point, people were most likely asleep still. And let me hop back over to the main screen. Let me go ahead and show you guys this here. Let's see. We hop over here to 30 frames. We go back here. You can see that we had a. Oh, let me actually change that to KILN radar. But yeah, if we hop back in time, you can see that there was a debris ball right there. You see it? So tornado touchdown somewhere by West Jefferson. Not too populated, I don't think. South of West Jefferson here. And then we worked our way down in time here, and it was continuing across areas by like western side of Columbus here, which unfortunately it seems to be a very, very populated area here. But yeah, so what's up, Proxy? Hope you're doing good. Good morning. Looking forward to driving this mess. Yeah. And right here, northeast side. But the good thing is, Proxy, I think most of your thread is pretty much done. It looks like just a bunch of thunderstorms right now for you. We got a couple, like I said, we're watching tornadoes. Tornadoes east of Columbus right now. But yeah, we're watching those tornadoes east of Columbus right now. Like I said, we did have a tornado that, like I said, we were just talking about that rolled west of Columbus here. I just ended my live stream about an hour beforehand from 10.5 hours of streaming, which honestly, I think that's definitely my number 2 record, I think. But But yeah, of course, like I said, if I would just continue to for an hour longer, I could have got that. And like I said, that's been kicking me in the butt here for the last few minutes. It's like, just I wonder if there's something I could have done to help, But I guess I don't know. Just can't win them all, I guess. Let's see here. Get some severe warnings. Yeah, we have a lot in Kentucky here, out there between Lexington and Moorhead area. A lot of severe thunderstorm warnings in effect out there towards, let's see here, for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, tornado possible tags, quarter-size hail in some cases. Let's see here, 1.25-inch hail. So it really ranges per storm here. Oh, it definitely did, Kyle. Yeah, it definitely did verify. I mean, we had over a half a dozen tornadoes from this event here, and in general, at least I can probably count at least 6 or 7 that we've had. We probably have more, honestly, but yeah. Let's see here. All right, y'all. So east of Columbus, once again, we got a big block of tornado warnings. Listen up, guys, because I'm going to list these areas. If you know anybody east of Columbus who's near Rose Farm, Crooksville, New Lexington, Junction City, Somerset, Thornville, Thornport, Baltimore, Carroll, Millersport, Etna. We have, let's see here, also included, Jersey, Heath, Hebron, Newark, Granville, Alexandria. Let's see here, Hanover. This is also including Martinsburg, Bladensburg, Gambler, Mount Vernon, Brandon, Howard, Danville, Amity, Gann. And I think that's about all the areas we just mentioned here. So if you know if any of those areas sounded familiar to you in eastern or east of Columbus here in pretty much central Ohio, there is a tornado warning in effect there, and like I said, you need to take action. Based off of those warnings. Like I said, if you have a basement storm cellar, that's where you want to be, obviously. But if you don't, go to the central most interior portion of your home. Put as many walls between yourself and the outside as possible. Okay, my friend? Let's see here. The middle warning had 35 minutes ago. These have 4:19. So this one was... Okay, so the one for Howard, Danville, Gambler, Mount Vernon, Martinsburg... this expires here in 4 minutes. South of it, one for Newark, let's see, Heath, Hebron, Granville, Alexandria, Jersey, Hanover, Johnstown. Actually, they just canceled for a lot of Alexandria, Johnstown, Jersey. You guys are good. Just for now, Granville, Newark, Heath, Hebron, and Hanover. We got ourselves 34 minutes on that one. South of that, 19 minutes for Crooksville, Rose Farm, Somerset, Junction City. So that is what's going on there. Let's see. I really feel for the citizens around Columbus. I used to work there in the early 90s. Wow. Gotcha. Yeah. Just like I said, what really got me is the fact that people were most likely asleep during that. It's what really hits me hard. Looks like they just canceled that warning. Let's see. That was for the Howard one. Yeah, Gambler, Howard, Danville, Bladensburg, Martinsburg. Yeah, you guys are no longer in effect here. No longer in tornado warning. So you guys are good. We have 2 tornado warnings left here. We have one for Newark, one for Heath, one for Hanover, Hebron, Granville. Let's see here. And south of that towards Crooksville, New Lexington, Somerset, Junction City, Rose Farm. Let's see, Thornville and Thornport area. The Barnish, thank you for subscribing. Oh, not the Barnish. It just shows to show you I'm out of it. Tina Barnish, thank you. Not the Barnish. Let's see here. Anyways, let's see. Good morning. How bad's Tennessee going to get? Tennessee, like I said, we have a little marginal for some of the regions out there, but I'm not too worried about them, honestly. Let's see. How's Newark looking right now? So Newark, let's see. We'll bring up a radar view. Like I said, our radar is kind of limited here. We have a terminal radar up here in Columbus, which is the airport radar. which we can use with just velocity, unfortunately. But yeah, there's a couple areas in here that looks pretty concerning, mostly like gusty winds and all that stuff. But right now we have 32 minutes for Newark inside of a tornado warning. Like I said, we actually have a MEDAR station here. Winds are too crazy on that station. But what's up, Connor? Hope you're doing good, my friend. Looks like we just got another warning, probably in Kentucky. Yeah, there you go. Big cluster of storms. Azure says, how long have I been streaming? Well, I did a 10.5-hour stream. I just got done with that about an hour ago. Before that, I did a 2-hour stream, and now I'm doing this stream, which I'm already 30-plus minutes in. So, yeah. A long time. We'll just put it at that. A very long time. Alright, yeah. So we got a bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings here. Across portions out there by Lexington. Let's see, between quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. There's actually one that's 1.25, but that's, yeah, this one's about to be expired. We have 1 minute left, so. Let's see here. So, yeah, Lexington, Paris. Probably not the Paris you're thinking of. North Middletown, also included here. East of that, we have Owingsville, we have Salt Lick, Moorhead, Mount Sterling, and a warning for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. A tornado possible tag, as well as, penny-size hail, which penny-size hail is not kind of your least concern. East of that, we have Olive Hill, Grand, I think it is, Denton, 45 minutes, penny hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. North of that, we have one for Vanceburg. Portions out there by, let's see here, Kennecornick, we have Tollsboro. This one's here in effect for tornado possible tag and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts overall. So that is kind of what we're looking out there for. Okay. Oh, new warning just got issued east of Louisville towards Frankfort. Just came here, just got issued here overall. So like I said, just keep it out there for those regions there. We got ourselves, like I said, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny hail on that one. Just came from another stream. Most area immediate east of Columbus, let's see, etc., is now in the clear. What is you showing on the radar too? So east of Columbus, we got two tornado warnings still in effect here. One for Newark, Heath, portions by Hanover, Hebron. Another one to the south for Thornville, Somerset, Thornport, Junction City, Crooksville, and Rose Farm. This is another one that's in effect here. So, like I said, we'll have to just keep it out there for that overall. And, so whenever it comes to it, like I said, those areas is in a tornado warning, so those should be watching. We should watch out there for that. Let's see, Evansville. Yeah, you guys out there in Evansville, y'all are pretty good. The main frontal boundary has passed you. The instability is no longer present. And we have stable air mass starting to build into the region here, which is allowing for, obviously, convection to no longer be a thing. Let's see, I have to go. See you later, Proxy. Thanks for joining. Great job, Andrew. Appreciated. Stay safe, everyone. YouTube Proxy, thank you for joining, and have a good morning, my friend. I would say have a good day, but that too. But anyways, let's see here. All right, there's a new warning that just got extended to the south of Louisville here. Let's see. Look at this whole line that's forming now. It's quite interesting. This includes, let's see here, portions of Hodgenville, New Haven, Sonora, Munfordville, Horse Cave area, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there, and penny hail, which once again, penny hail is nothing too crazy. Wow, look at this, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you all something here real quickly. Yeah, look at the radar view. Look at that line. Y'all can see, well, where's the cold front? You guys can kind of see that. See, that was a fairly stout tornado a while ago in Columbus that stayed on the ground for a while. Yeah, it was definitely pretty Pretty crazy. Still got 2 tornado warnings for it, though. We have one towards Newark, one towards Heath, Crooksville, New Lexington, Junction City, Rose Farm, Somerset, Thornville, Thornport, in effect here. Let's see here. Did I already see Hanover? Let's see, Wilkins Run, Hickman, Reform, Perryton, Chatham, St. Louisville, Rain Rock, let's see, Purty, let's see, Fallsburg, and Frampton. Temps keep dropping. Oh, yeah, they sure are. They sure are, my friend. Yeah, they're getting pretty cold. Let's actually check on those real quickly. We're going to see what's going on out here. Check up there on St. Louis. Yeah, those temps are probably pretty cold. Yeah, 28 degrees right now. Yeah, but that's nothing compared to, like, Iowa at the current moment here. I mean, Iowa, let's look at Iowa's temperatures. We're literally in the single digits. And we are breaking the negatives in portions of Minnesota. Proxy coming in with a $20 super chat. Thank you so much, Proxy. I appreciate that. You certainly did not have to do that, my friend. Thank you so much for the support. That is very sweet of you, Proxy. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, you definitely did not have to do that, my friend. But I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, Proxy. Sorry, y'all. I'm just really out of it right now because I have, like, no energy left at all. Let's see. But yeah, once again, Proxy, thank you so much. All right, once again, y'all, east of Columbus now, we have a couple tornado warnings in effect here. Once again, we're watching them, like I said, Columbus area here a little bit ago. Unfortunately, we had a tornado that rolled through the western side of Columbus, or just to the west here slightly of Columbus. Tornado warnings now in effect, though, for Newark, Heath. This includes portions of Hanover, Hebron, portions by Amsterdam, Linville, Brownsville, portions by Locust Grove. Let's see here. Swans, Toboso, Reform, Wilkins Run, Chatham, I think it is, St. Louisville, let's see, Rain Rock, Hickman, Fallsburg, and Frampton on that first warning. South of that, there's another one there for Thornville, Thornport, Glenford, let's see, Mount Perry, Sago, New Reading. I think, yeah, it's New Reading. I was about to say New Reading, but I think it's Reading, I'm pretty sure. See Somerset, see Wesley, Clover Hill, Carthon, Junction City, New Lexington, Rose Farm, Milligan, and Crooksville. Also Sotillo. I think that's how you pronounce that. So, that's where the tornado warning is at right now, my friend. So, like I said, just if y'all are in that region, please get to your shelter. Stay well away from windows, obviously. And like I said, if you have a basement or a storm cellar, go there. If you don't, go to the central, most interior portion of your home and put as many walls between yourself and the outside as possible. That will help provide as much protection as we possible. So, like I said, guys, please be careful out there and all that. So, just be careful, my friends. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm looking at the chat here. Cold front will leave as quick as it comes through, and temps will go back to well above normal. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna. Things eventually will heat up here. I think the CPC has a pretty big risk. They just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Zanesville, well east of Columbus here at this point. Let's see. This is for a tornado possible tag, quarter size hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts overall. Charge on my battery banks, expecting serious thunderstorms. We all got heavy rain. Well, it's good to be prepared and be over-prepared than under-prepared, my friend. Because a lot of these places did look like there would be the potential for severe weather in which, yes, this event really did perform as expected. It did not underperform. It really didn't overperform, I'd say, either. It was just as expected, honestly. But yeah, no, it's just definitely good to be, obviously, always over-prepared than under-prepared. All right, 7 minutes left on that one tornado warning towards the south. This is the one that's out there by Crooksville. Somerset area, Thornville. This one is about to expire relatively soon. So whenever it comes to it, y'all, this one's about to be gone. And whenever this does get canceled, I'm probably going to roll off here because, like I said, I am whooped. Yeah, I basically just added another almost hour of coverage. So it's just, it is what it is, man. I just hope that Mother Nature would just stop and, like, can Mother Nature sleep, please? Like, that would be so nice, dude. And just not have nocturnal threats. I mean, like, they're the worst, man. They're the absolute worst. These nocturnal threats. Let's see. But yeah, so out there towards Kentucky for the northern and kind of the western side, we just have a bunch of severe thunderstorms in effect here. John says, I don't know if anyone asked, but is your setup in a safe place? Let's see. Do I still stream if you're in severe weather? Well, yeah. My room is not really on a safe space. It's kind of on the outside of the house. But yeah, it just depends on what it is. If there's like a tornado heading my way, of course I'm ditching the stream and going to my safe spot. But if it's like a hurricane or something, I'm just staying in my room. I don't care. Let's see here. Dilly says, thank you for all you've done, Andrew. You're truly a lifesaver. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Like I said, I try my best. Try my best to do what I can. They canceled the tornado warning, guys, for, let's see, for Newark, Hanover, Heath. That's no longer in effect. So we just got the one tornado warning here, which we have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left on this tornado warning here. T-Star, thank you for gifting 1 membership. I appreciate it. And Dilly, congratulations, my friend. You got the zip code, or not the zip code. Oh my god, dude! You got the membership. I'm losing my mind, dude. I gotta get some sleep before I cause permanent brain damage. My goodness, but yeah. So throughout Kentucky right now, let's see here. Yeah, just the one storm has a tornado possible tag. That's the one out by Moorhead. Once again, does not always mean that there will be, like I said, it does not always mean that there will be a tornado. It just says that, given the environment, tornadoes are possible. Yeah, so that's that. That's what's going on there. Mostly a wind threat. It looks like hail threat's gone sub-severe for the most part. There's a couple warnings where we do reach quarter-size hail, but yeah, all of the rest of them are penny size, which so. So yeah, that's kind of what it's looking like. Of course, last what we got here is just the one tornado warning here and that severe thunderstorm warning east of that. Now the eastern severe thunderstorm warning, the one out there east of, well, obviously Columbus. This is out there by Zanesville, towards Villo, I think it is, and Hopewell. This one's in effect here for the possibility of a tornado, obviously. Damaging winds up to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Once again, for Zanesville, Meadow Farm, Bush Creek, let's see here, Villo, Blue Rock, Fultonham, for the next 18 minutes overall. Tyler, we're not doing zip codes. We typically don't do those too often in our live coverages because if I do one, then everybody else is going to want their zip code read, and it would be very unfair for one. But not to mention, focusing on one specific area at a time is very not too efficient whenever looking at the big picture. So that's just why we don't do those. But if you caught me during a forecast stream, then I would have done it. Let's see here. Not being mean. I'm just, like I said, it just wouldn't be fair to everybody else if I did one and that's it. What's up, Sam? How we doing, good, man? But yeah, like I said, we're gonna head off here pretty soon, y'all. Given the fact that I am out of my mind here, so. And also, like I said, because tornado warning's about to expire here, thankfully, and hopefully that's the last one. Knock on wood. Hopefully. They did add a tornado watch. I think I was live to cover that. Let's hop over here real quickly. They did have a tornado watch, or they have one for a lot of Kentucky. A lot of Kentucky here. Pretty much the entire state at this point, yeah. So there's Bowling Green, Columbia, Somerset, Irvine. Those areas are inside of that there. Any damage reports? Well, I not that I know of as of right now. Any threat to Northeast Mississippi? No. I don't believe so. Yeah, no. Just, I mean, you could get a few storms, but nothing crazy. All right, let's see here. All right, 2 minutes left, y'all, on the tornado warning there, out there by eastern or east of Columbus. Yeah, like I said, guys, if y'all don't know what happened, Columbus, Ohio, they got hit pretty hard by a tornado, roughly about an hour ago or so. It ended up going through, let's see, where was that? West Jefferson. It started in West Jefferson and kind of made it to western Columbus. And there was a very nasty debris signature on that. Like I said, hopefully, I'm hoping that everybody's okay. Like I said, that was definitely really crazy to see. Hopped on as quick as I could when I saw that. So, you know, like I said, that's just had to hop on here quick and cover at least some of it. But anyways, it's a purple and white line moving. Oh, that was a mesoscale discussion. Just talking about the severe conditions out there. Nothing too crazy. Let's see here. North Middle Tennessee, says Jenna. There's a small threat for severe weather up in some of those regions there. We got a 2% tornado threat actually for Kentucky. I don't think for Tennessee. I think it's here, let me. I guess I'll bring up the convective outlook for today. Yep. So tornado probability for today is across eastern Kentucky, western West Virginia, southeastern and southern portions of Ohio. Damaging winds obviously goes all the way from central eastern sides of Tennessee all the way up here into Vermont, and of course hail. No hail threat. So small tornado threat, big wind threat is the reason why. All right, guys. They canceled tornado warning that's no longer in effect, but they did issue a severe thunderstorm warning to the south for, let's see here, for 15 minutes. But like I said, I think we're going to probably roll off here pretty soon, you guys. Alrighty. All right, see you later, Booze. I'm right there with you, man. I think I'm going to head off here pretty soon as well. I mean, we basically added another hour to coverage today because... well, we're 52 minutes in this live stream here, so it's I think it's about time. I better go to bed because I am whooped, you guys, whooped. Yeah, so I'm looking at it now. So I did so yesterday afternoon I did a 1 hour and 37-minute stream, and then the one I just ended like 2 hours ago was 10 hours and 30 minutes long, and then this one is about an hour long. So within the last 24 hours, I've streamed like well over a half a day. Like that's like 13 plus hours, I think. About 13 hours, maybe. Yeah, roughly about 13 hours or so. So it's like, oh, dude, I'm just out of it. Some guy, I already answered your question a while ago, dude. Like I said, I'm not too sure. Not that I know of. Don't overwork yourself by streaming. Well, like I said, I mean, when it comes into it, Rose, like there's tornadoes that do damage and, you know, obviously are very bad. And no matter if I burn myself out with it, I'm not going to stop regardless because, you know, people's lives are at risk. And whenever that's the case, like I said, I'm going to be here. I don't care if I'm burnt out or not. That's what the off season, or that's what the off time is for. Whenever we have breaks in between sessions, that's whenever I just stop and just relax. Which, knowing me, I just still do daily live streams, but that's just who I am. Let's see here. Anyways. Northern Alabama, yeah, there's no threat, man. You're good. Yeah, there's literally no threat for severe weather out there in Northern Alabama. The light green, that's a thunderstorm threat, but nothing severe. Like, no severe weather expected. All right, y'all. We'll do one more. We'll do one more overlook with these warnings, and then I'm gonna head off here, you guys. So we're starting down here in south central Kentucky. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Munfordville, Horse Cave. Let's see, Sonora, Hodgkinville, New Haven. For 60-mile-per-hour wind gust expires in 12 minutes. Another one to the north of that, east of Louisville, by Frankfort, Lawrenceburg, Bloomfield. Let's see here, Bardstown. Williamsburg, Springfield, for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and 1.5-inch hail, so up to ping pong ball hail. East of that, east of Lexington, we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Moorhead, Owingsville, Salt Lick, Mount Sterling for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and a tornado possible tag. East of that, we got another one here for Olive Hill. We have Denton. For, like I said, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being possible. And then east of Columbus, moving over to Ohio now, east of Columbus towards Zanesville, let's see, Philo and Hopewell. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for tornado possible tag, let's see, quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. South of that, it's just an extension for Crooksville and Rose Farm. So that is the overall warnings. That's all the areas. That's all the criteria. And everything that's going on right now. But anyways, y'all, we're going to sign off here pretty soon, I think within the next few minutes. So let's see here. Dilly says, why we appreciate you and what you do so much. I've alerted friends and family of severe weather threat because of your streams. Well, I'm glad to help out there, Dilly. I'm glad that you find them very useful. And hopefully I'll continue to help you guys out in the future. Like I said, I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping you guys. I will continue to push for as long as I can in order to give you guys updates. So you can always rely on me, guys. I promise you I will always be here whenever I can, which is almost every time. This was a tornado outbreak. Yeah, I would consider this a tornado outbreak in a widespread severe weather outbreak like we were expecting. I don't know if you guys remember me saying that severe weather outbreak was likely. Not a tornado outbreak. I didn't say that, but I said severe weather outbreak, and boy, did it verify as a severe weather outbreak. It was pretty crazy. We're leaning towards the end of the event too, which is good. As Kentucky in general is kind of finishing off the threat. Western portions of West Virginia, there's a little sliver as well, I believe. But yeah, most of it's done. Indiana's good. Illinois is good. Michigan's good. Ohio's not quite done, but almost good. Finally, I sneezed. Holy cow. Obviously, Wisconsin made a little threat earlier today, but everything's good, my friend. I think things are calming down a little bit. Thank you for information about dollars in Columbus, Ohio. You're very helpful. You're very welcome, my friend. No problem. I had to sneeze again. There we go. Dude, these allergies, man. Let's see you guys through the night. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Once again, I'm glad to be here for you guys. Thank you, guys. Bless you. Thank y'all. Yeah, dude, these allergies get me. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to end it on that note. I'm actually going to go to bed. I'm going to get some sleep now. Tomorrow or later today, I might take off. I don't know. Gosh, dude. Sneezing, man. But yeah, no, I will. I'm thinking about. I'll see if I go live later on for an update or something like that. But honestly, I think I might just call it a day today. But all right, guys, y'all take care. Stream's heading off here in approximately now about 2 minutes. Yep, heading off here now in 2 minutes. So go ahead and say goodbye to your friends, family, anybody you're hanging out with in the chat. Once again, Proxy, thank you so much for the donation. We had a donation on this live stream, and that was from Proxy with a $20 super chat. Very sweet of you, Prox. T-Star as well, gifting a membership. Appreciate it. Thank you, supporters. You guys really help keep me going and help me keep up these programs with payments and stuff like that. So thank you, guys. Much appreciated. And all right, guys. Well, stream's heading off here in about a minute and a half. Once again, if you haven't already, please do me a favor. Better yet, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. That way you guys can always be here for severe weather events. And obviously we'll be on top of all types of weather, winter weather, severe weather, tropical weather. I mean, like I said, we'll be here for you guys. But all right, y'all. Well, stream's heading off here in a minute. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and have a good day at work, whatever, school, whatever you're doing. And most importantly, be safe out there, as severe weather is still possible over the next couple of hours. But all right, guys, y'all take care. Much love, and we'll see you later on. Peace out, my friends. Catch you in the next one.